The Paramed Stethoscope. Our stethoscope was made for comfort. It's lightweight, durable, versatile, and ensures maximum efficiency in auditory diagnostics. The Paramed Stethoscope, quality and professionalism. Our stethoscope is made of hypoallergenic, latex-free material and is extremely pleasant to the touch. Plus, it's resistant to contamination and easy to clean. The stethoscope is convenient, with a length of 29.5 inches and a weight of just 171 grams, making it perfect for professional use. Included with the stethoscope are 2 additional sets of ear tips, an extra diaphragm, and a name holder. The Paramed Stethoscope, comfortable and easy to use. The stethoscope's design allows it to be adjusted to a variety of needs. The ear tips can easily be replaced with a smaller or larger pair. You can also widen or narrow the stethoscope for more comfort using simple hand movements. Our stethoscope has a dual head with a diaphragm and bell for capturing low and high frequencies. Just rotate the head of the stethoscope 180 degrees until it clicks. The active side will always be marked with a green dot at the base of the head, which you can check by lightly tapping on it with your finger. For best results, the stethoscope should be worn with the tubes aimed directly into your ear canals. The Paramed Stethoscope, reliable and affordable. In addition to a competitively priced stethoscope, you also get a responsive support team and a 100% money-back guarantee. Visit the online store at the link in the description to learn more about our stethoscopes.